let me show you some of the secret codes that we can use on the Samsung Galaxy S26. In order to use those secret codes, we need to go to the phone app, and then over here we can enter those codes. The first code that I'm going to show you is *#0*#. Once you enter that code, you will open this hidden test menu where we can perform certain different tests. So if you're looking for like diagnostics or something, this is one of the ways to do so. There's actually a dedicated diagnostic menu in the settings of the phone, but this one allows you to also verify some of the things that might not be available in the dedicated diagnostic menu in the device care settings. Besides that, we can also use the *#06 hash. This allows you to open the information about IMEI numbers, EID, and the serial number in here. Then we have a little bit longer code, which is *12580. Then we use the *369 hash. This allows you to open the RF call, manufacture date information, and so on and so forth. So RF call is pretty much the date when the phone was manufactured. And we also have some additional codes, I suppose, which unfortunately I'm not sure what they are for. I couldn't find any confirmation about this. Besides that, we can also use the *#0011 hash in order to open this GSM network status information. However, it seems that there's unfortunately not much information that we can get out of it. Of course, if you are interested in those things, or if you actually know what these codes do and this information, what it tells you about, then of course you can use it quite easily. You can also use the *#0808 hash in order to open USB settings, and in here you can, I assume, choose what should be the default option once you connect the USB cable to your phone and connect it with another device. Then we can use *#1234 and then end it with the hash again in order to open the version info. So we can, for example, find the model of the name, the code of the model. Next up is *2663 hash. This allows you to open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version information. Over here we can, for example, find the option to refresh Wi-Fi version in case it is necessary. We also have some information about the Bluetooth version, so in case you are looking for that information, you can find it in this place. Then we can use *#9090 and then end it with the hash to open the diagnostic configuration. So over here we have a couple of different options that you can go through, which I assume this might be useful for example, for services, for professionals who are looking for faulty features or faulty stuff inside our phone that might not work properly. There is also *#9900, and then once we end it with hash, we open the sysdump menu over here, and there are a couple of options as well. Unfortunately, I'm not entirely sure what exactly they are for. And there is also the service mode, which I'm not sure if it's going to work in here, but we're gonna give it a try. So *2683662, and then we end it with the hash. And yes, we do have the service mode. However, in this case, it seems that it is completely empty. Maybe something appears over here once something is done on our phone. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And I believe these are all the codes that work on Samsung Galaxy S26. If there are some codes that I missed, then please let me know in the comments so everyone can of course see those additional codes. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.